Hello, future scientists. Welcome to another tutorial for grade 12 advanced functions, where I'm going to teach you how to do synthetic division. Let's get started. So what we're going to do, we're going to do two examples. In the first one, we're going to divide a polynomial, this will be a cubic, by x minus 3. And anytime you're dividing a polynomial by, say, x minus k, we can use synthetic division to help us. So in this case, k is actually equal to 3. Okay, because if you were to place k with 3, that's what we get right here. And so what we're going to do, we're going to set up the problem like this, where up here in this row, we're going to put the coefficients of each term. Now make sure you put the terms in descending order. So x cubed, x squared, x to the 1, and then finally a constant. So when we do that, we'll have 3, negative 5, negative 7, and finally negative 1. And just outside here, we're going to put our k value, which is 3. All right, so we're going to start by just adding 3 to nothing. So this is 3. And then we're going to multiply. So 3 times 3 is 9. So I'm going to put a 9 here. And then we're going to add negative 5 plus 9 is 4. And then multiply with our k value. 3 times 4 is 12. And then add. We're just repeating add. So negative 7 plus 12 is 5. Multiply with k. So 3 times 5 is 15. And finally add again. 15 plus negative 1 is going to be 14. So this 14 is our remainder. And what we have here is our quotient. So these are the coefficients in order. We have 3x squared plus 4x plus 5. So there's our answer with remainder 14. Not so bad. Let's try one more, make sure we got it. All right, so this is the one we're going to try. Now let's first look at here, we have x plus 2. So remember, we're dividing by x minus k. So in this case, k is going to have to be negative 2, because when I substitute negative 2 in for k, we get a double negative, which gives us this x plus 2. So k is negative 2. One other thing that we're going to have to do is, as we're putting it in order, so we have setting up our synthetic division, we've got 4, well, to the power of 4 first, coefficient 1, and then to the power of 3, coefficient negative 2. But then the next one is x, not x squared. So we're going to sort of squeeze in a 0x squared in there, because we want it in proper descending order by 1 each time. So this next one's going to be 0, and then 13, and then negative 6. And we're going to put our negative 2 right outside here. So let's follow the same steps. Add 1 plus 0, that's just 1. Multiply. 1 times negative 2, negative 2. Add negative 2 plus negative 2, negative 4. Multiply. Negative 4 times negative 2 is 8. Add 0 plus 8 is 8. Multiply. Negative 16. If we add these, we get negative 3. Multiply, we get positive 6. And when we add, we get 0. So this one has a remainder of 0. So that tells us this is a factor. And our answer, so our constant x squared, x cubed, we've got x cubed minus 4x squared plus 8x minus 3. There's our quotient with remainder 0. I hope that helped. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And you can check out the description or my channel for a whole bunch of resources for high school STEM courses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.